he would identify the person who was feeling a little bit down, and he would sit on their lap. And they would come in, once they came into the exam room, we'd sit and we'd talk, and they would say, you know, baby picked me today. You know, he knew I really needed him. And I wouldn't explain because they were down, but they would tell me that I was feeling down and I really needed that extra attention, and it felt really good. So he knows, and every dog has its own personality in that way.
What is it about a dog that a dog can do it that a human can't do?
I think it's because it's so unconditional. There's no words. It's pure action and pure love. It's that innocent face, a little bit of a wag of the tail, a sense that you can have this relationship in an instant. There's no ice to break. You're instantly really good friends, and a little touch goes a long way. So part of it is physical, just in the softness and the touch and the warmth of the body, and the idea that this puppy kind of needs you too. You know, when baby comes to visit patients, he needs their love and attention and affection as well. So now they're thinking beyond themselves and they're giving, and it distracts them from things that may be heavy on them.
What kind of training goes into it for therapy dogs?
It's a lot of hard work. So you have to take classes, several hours a week for many weeks. It's months actually. And then you have to pass a test. Now this test is designed for you to fail. So it's every distraction of a dog. They have to walk by and pass a toy and not want to pick it up. They have to have other barking dogs and not be distracted and not bark back. If they bark, they're out. So there's every step along the way they can be kicked out. Then as you're going by, they drop obstacles, like they'll drop crutches and have wheelchairs make noise and do everything to try to startle the dog and incite aggression. So the dog has to be submissive by nature. It's not for every dog. And a dog that shows any aggression, they're out in an instant. So one sign of aggression, they're kicked out of the class right away. And it happened a little bit.
And you mentioned the nature, you know, baby, you told me, is a Havanese. Do you think certain breeds are better for this?
I do think so. I think probably any dog could ultimately have a personality that might be good, but I think Havanese as a breed is really good that way. Plus they're hypoallergenic. They have skin and hair. Not that you can't be allergic, but the risk is much lower, and they don't smell like a dog. They actually smell quite good. So so I do think that some breeds are more geared towards it, and just to see the look on people's faces when they're with them it's so priceless.
Unbelievable. Dr. Darsday, always great to see you. Great to have you with us tonight. Thanks for joining us.